Hi, this is Becca from YouCanBookMe, and I'm going to show you 5 quick and easy steps to customize your booking page to make it perfectly match your brand. You'll see here that I've already logged in and entered into the settings for my booking page. The first thing I like to do is add a profile photo. You can add a profile photo by clicking this little camera icon right here. You will have the option to go through your files or drag and drop an image in. I personally love to go with a photo of whomever your bookers will be meeting with. This really makes it more personal, but a logo of your company is also a great choice. Next, we're going to edit the booking page title. Right now, it just says "You Can Book Me." That's wonderful, but that's not me. So I am going to rename it. My name is Becca, so I'm going to call it Becca Kingsbury. You Can Book Me, because I work at You Can Book Me. That makes sense. This is my business booking page. Let's look at my booking page link. Right now, it is just an amalgamation of random letters. That's not particularly memorable, nor is it on my brand. Let's pick something new. Let's try becca.youcanbook.me. Let's click Save All Changes to see if that one is available. Darn, it looks like somebody else owns becca.youcanbook.me. Let's try Becca Kingsbury. That seems nice. Okay, that's memorable. It's personal. It's already being used. Darn, that's okay. Let's try Becca R. Kingsbury. It's funny because I actually own Becca and Becca Kingsbury already. That's why they're not working. But that's okay. We're going to go Becca R. Kingsbury for this particular booking page. Next, we have the booking page intro. It comes automatically saying, choose a time that works for you. Perhaps I want to make that more personal. Maybe I want to put a greeting in front. Hey there, friend. Choose a time that works for you. I'm excited to meet with you. You can also add in hyperlinks here, which is fun. So perhaps I want to add in the You Can Book Me website. Learn more about You Can Book Me here. Then I can simply highlight where I would like the hyperlink to live and click the little link button. And then you can choose to have it open in a new window or have the person navigate away from your booking page. Personally, I recommend always having it open in a new window so that they still have your booking page open, but are also able to access your website. Let's add that in. You'll see the code here is showing, but let's hit Save Changes to see how it'll look on the actual booking page. You'll see the code may show in the sidebar here, but on the actual page itself, it is embedded. I think this needs a space just to make it look prettier. That's better. Let's move on to some additional settings. We're here to talk specifically about customization, so we're going to click Additional Options. We're then going to click Style and Display. In Style and Display, there are a few things you can do to make your booking page beautiful. You can change the primary color. It gives you 6 fun options to choose from at the top. You have to hit Save Changes to see it reflect in your preview. Perhaps you like orange, or maybe you like pink. Cool. Or if you know the hex code for your particular brand, you can just type it in, which I will show you right now. I know for a fact that ours is 004349. So it will find that color for me, and I can hit save and apply it. But if I'm not sure what my hex code color is, I can click in here and use the finder and move about the mouse until I find the right color for me. Today feels like a Barbie kind of day, so let's go with a nice Barbie pink. I like it. Barbie it is. Next, let's customize our background. There are 3 options. The automatic option is tint. It's going to take the color you've already selected and give you a lighter, more muted version for your background. You'll see here, I have the Barbie pink along the top, but the background is a more muted version of the same. I can change this to a gradient if I would like. Hit save, and it's going to create me a gradient here. You'll see that it's a bright pink at the top, fading to a purple. If I want to see that in another way, let's try it with this color. Look at that sunset vibe. That's beautiful. We do have one more option, however. We can click Image. You can drag and drop or go through your files to find an image that best encapsulates your brand's vision. Let's choose this image here. I've drag and dropped in. Oh, it's too big. Silly me. Let's do this one. We're going to hit Save Changes in order to see how it looks. Cool. It is blurry because it's a preview. It's being squished in for the preview size. Let's click View Page to see how it actually looks. Much better, clean, crisp, clear. I've chosen a photo that is a picture of our boardroom with a green kind of filter on top that our team put together. Super cool. I don't know if I'm feeling the filter though. Let me upload another photo here. Perhaps I want to try this photo. Let's hit Save to see how it'll look. Viewing in full page to make sure that we get the proper view. There we go. A nice, clean, crisp photo. I love it. Let's keep it like that. I might change out that yellow to be better branded to YouCanBookMe. There we go. Finally, let's add a footer in. A footer is a great way to add extra imagery or information or links to your page. You can add disclaimers here, you can add contact details, anything you feel would be helpful for your booker. Personally, I love to add an embedded hyperlinked photo. So I'm going to click Insert Image. I have already chosen an image. I'm just going to drag it in. Fun. As it loads, we'll hit Save Changes. And we can see at the bottom that I have this beautiful little footer showing off our brand. But do I still want to hyperlink it to my website? Absolutely, I do. So we're going to take this little piece of code that is the photo. We're going to highlight it and we're going to click Insert Link. Get rid of what's already in the link URL section and add in your desired link. As I mentioned before, I like to have it open in a new window, but that choice is totally up to you. We're going to hit Insert Link and we're going to save. Again, you're going to see there's a whole bunch of code here in the box, but it doesn't show in the footer itself. Let's click View Page one more time to get a look at our final product. I'm just going to zoom out because I don't have the biggest screen in the world, but here we are. I've got a custom background image, photo, the URL that is Becca R. Kingsbury. Here I am. I've changed the name of my booking page to reflect who I am. I have written in my custom introduction with a hyperlink, and I have added a fun little footer. There is only one more option that I haven't gone over yet, and that is the layout of the schedule. And that is right here, availability layout. So this entire project, we have been looking at it from a month view. We can see all of December here. However, maybe we want a day view. Beautiful, it's just showing me Thursday, December 19th, and we can scroll along if we want to look at other options. Cool. Finally, we could also choose an agenda view. This one's my favorite. This is where it's going to show the different days and times laid out in an agenda style. I think that we're going to keep to that style. That sounds fun. We are saved. We're going to hit View Page one last time. And here we are. We have my booking page, all of the changes we've made, a fun little agenda view to show all of my availability, and a footer that is hyperlinked to my website. If you have any questions whatsoever on how to customize your booking page, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at any time. We are happy to talk customization with you always. Thank you so much for listening.